Hello everyone, this is a presentation on background verification. I am Raghav, working for Ravina Technologies. If you like the content we produce here, you can subscribe to our channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Lying on resume has been the biggest problem for hiring talent. Many companies engage third-party agencies to conduct background verification. Whitney said, "For me, lying is like a drug. It's an addiction. I have become used to lying. It comes out without me even thinking or realizing I am doing it. To me, lying is so bad. I sometimes think I am lying to myself." 3 reasons why people lie: fear, manipulation, and pride. A person who lies cannot be relied upon and cannot be hired. Companies who accept liars as employees have to bear a very heavy cost if the employees continue with their behavior. A candidate who lies on resume cannot be trusted. So the importance of a background verification is to ensure that the right candidate is hired, trust and dependency, to avoid future litigations, ensures workplace safety, liability. A resource who is hired with shady background will continue to be a liability for the company. Background verification encourages honesty and develops trustworthy teams. It discourages candidates from indulging in falsehood, helps in data protection. It streamlines the hiring process. It highlights a mindset that lying cannot be tolerated anymore. The scope of services provided by background verification companies include address verification, CIBIL score and report, CIBIL company credit report, database check, court records check, criminal verification. Some companies go for drug testing and education verification, employment verification, reference verification, social media scan are the services that are provided by a professional background verification company. The terms and conditions agreed upon between a company and a background verification company is that the fees to be paid per case will be roughly around 2,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees INR, depending on the scope of services. Turnaround time is agreed upon between the parties, and the general time taken for verification is 10 to 12 working days. The agreement between the BGV vendor and the company includes scope of services, duration of agreement, terms and conditions, responsibility for medical tests and drug tests, confidentiality of information collected. Online submissions through an applicant tracking system or integration with ATS are the new trends observed in background verification process. First, it will be an address verification. Why it's required? For carrying out correspondence, including sending out offer letters, application forms or final settlement documents and dues. In cases of sending out legal notices, address verification is a must. To start disciplinary issues or any violations, there have been cases reported of employees who go missing after defaulting with customer accounts. It helps in law enforcement authorities in case of any criminal acts done by employees, support police in moving ahead with investigations. The process is the candidate is asked to submit proof of address, which includes a copy of the passport, a copy of Aadhaar card or any other government issued identification card giving the full address of the candidate. A field officer from background verification company will visit the address, collect the details, including the tenure of stay, the ownership status, and details of other members residing there. If in the case a door is locked where the address is provided, the field investigating officer will try to make another attempt to go and see the actual address given by the candidate. In the next visit, when the field investigation officer goes and does not find people, he will inquire from the neighborhood. CIBIL is a credit information where the credit information of 500 million users and business in India is captured, and this is predominantly from financial markets, insurance, mutual fund, asset management companies, and financial services to ensure that the CIBIL score is corrected for all potential hires. Background verification will verify candidates' financial background through employee credit checks and diminish risks by those who are under any financial stress. CIBIL scores and report provide employee credit verification, which can help individuals in positions of authority. Internal or external verification. This is a decision made by the company where the internal HR team is empowered to conduct the background verification. In case of large number of candidates joining company, it is always a good idea to engage a professional third-party background verification vendor. The data is required for vendor is provided by the candidate before the candidate joins the company. It gives a complete name of the legal entity, present and permanent address, list of qualifications, work experience details, latest with start and end dates, and previous employment details. Scan copy of the following documents are collected from the candidates by the company, which includes PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, latest, ration card, optional, voter's ID or driving license. The verification is done for the qualification. Educational qualification verification ensures the genuineness of the certification. Documents verified includes class 10, class 12, degree, undergraduate, postgraduate, and any other certifications issued by education institutions or university. This verification becomes very important as in recent times many employees post fake graduation or post-graduation certificates to land their dream jobs or for better pay or designation. What is verified? A background verification company will verify the university whether it is genuine or fake, the college where the student has completed the studies, the year of passing, certificate whether it is genuine or fake, marks secured, CGPA or percentile, specialization claimed, date of birth, parents' name and identification marks. The process is most of the background verification companies have tie-ups with universities which provide information via manual process through their own staff. Turnaround time is 1 week time, or in some cases most of the universities have now made the information available online to check whether the information provided by the candidate is genuine or the information is not genuine. It also helps in identifying the fake universities. A list of fake universities are published periodically by leading companies including Accenture. Coming to work experience, background verification company will check whether the company exists. They check the Ministry of Company Affairs and check out whether the company has an office and the regular HR department, payroll department. All candidates will be asked to authorize and give consent to carry out comprehensive background verification. In case the candidate declines to sign or authorize by mail, vendors will not be able to carry out the process. Current employment verification has to be done discreetly as it might endanger the present job. What is verified? In work experience, company name, location and address, start and end dates, designation or title, roles and responsibilities, technical skills, reporting structure, people reporting to the candidate and people whom the candidate reported, salary and perks, awards and recognition. It is also checked whether the candidate is eligible for rehire, reasons for exit, experience letter, relieving letter, appointment letter, Form 16, feedback from reporting managers, disciplinary proceedings. The process is BGV vendor will initiate the proceedings by the following: sending an email to the HR of the company with the candidate claims to have worked, attach scan copies of the letters issued by the company to check whether the documents furnished are genuine, sending a field representative to check on the following: name of the company, address, verification, and contact persons. So almost all software companies, services providers have signed up with vendors and would insist on having a green report before onboarding a candidate for full-time employment. This is to ensure they hire the right candidate. There have been a significantly large number of companies that would like to hire only genuine candidates from the vast pool of candidates available in the market. Over the years, the costs have also come down owing to the competition. It is very essential that background verification is done by a professional